Hi everyone, welcome to my Read Aloud. This time around we will be reading, can anyone guess what the name of this book is? Peeny Butter Fudge. The authors are Toni Morrison and Slade Morrison. There's two of them. And illustrated by Joe Cepeda. Illustrators, of course, draw the pictures of the book. And Toni Morrison and Slade Morrison are the authors, and they write the story. That's what an author does. The left side typically is the spine of the book, and the spine helps the book stay together. All the pages are binded by the spine. All right, let's get started. In this picture, there is a woman over here on the side, and she is waving goodbye to, it looks like 3 kids and possibly her own mother. She looks like she is older because she has white hair. And this woman on the left side who's waving looks like she's dressed in important clothes, so she might be going to work. On the right side, everyone is looking at this letter that was left on the refrigerator named Mom Instructions. So it goes 12 o'clock, lunch, peas, carrots, sticks, fish fingers. 1:15, nap. 2:25, playground. 4 o'clock, television. 5 o'clock, dinner. Hot dogs, macaroni, and cheese. 6:30, bath. 7:15, snack, granola bar. 7:30, bed. I will be back at bedtime. Mommy. Wonder what's gonna happen. Snuggle, snuggle, time to rest. Nana joins us in her nest. Nap time is not so long when Nana sings a sleepy song. What does snuggle mean? It means to cuddle up next to someone, to give them a hug. And a nana is somebody's grandma. It's another word for grandma or grandmother. Does anyone have a different name for their grandma? Looky look. We get to get a storybook. Fairies, dragons everywhere, creepy things under the stairs, pots of gold and a laughing mouse, a peppermint chimney on a house. Ooh, look at this, what's coming out from under the stairs. It has long claws. Just a tad bit scared. Hurry, hop in the car, let's go fast, let's go far, all around and up and down. Nana takes us through the town. What are they doing? Has anyone ever done this before? These are potato sacks, and you get inside them and you jump. Sometimes people race. Looks like Grandma or Nana is winning. Yummy lummy, so much happy in the tummy. Look at what our Nana made us. Biscuits, ham, and lemonades. Okay, time out. Does anyone remember what was on Mom's instructions for lunch or for dinner? Lunch was peas, carrot sticks, fish fingers. And dinner is hot dogs, macaroni, and cheese. This is definitely not what Mama had planned for them. Oh my goodness, Nana's sick. Help! Find a doctor kit. She's got a fever. Her face is hot. Get some water. Pour a lot. Band-aid for her toes. Band-aid for her nose. Doctor says you need rest. Quiet while we check your chest. Be good, Nana. Take a vitamin pill. We'll make you well. You bet we will. Oh my goodness, look at that. They put all kinds of band-aids on her feet. Do you think she's really sick? Doesn't look like it. Hold my hand and swing around. Feel the rhythm in the ground. Lift your left foot, now your right. Shake your shoulder with all your might. Can anyone shake their shoulders? Shake, shake, shake. Let's make the kitty cat. I've got one paw. I've got two. Here's his tail and whiskers too. Here's his play toy, but it doesn't belong. The shape is right, but the color is wrong. Patience, patience. No need for haste. Every piece has its place. What does haste mean? It means excessive speed or to hurry. Peeny butter fudge. Peeny butter fudge. Mommy's coming any minute. Quick, quick, let's begin it. What are they going to begin? What is peeny butter fudge? Peeny butter fudge is a dessert. Shh, don't tell. But I can't help it. This recipe is a family secret. Mix it, cook it, cool it, eat it. My mother taught me, and I taught yours. Don't forget how it's done, for you will have to pass it on. So is that the grandma, Nana, talking? Saying that her mother taught her and she taught their mother? Ticky-tock, ticky-tock, can we beat that big old clock? Peeny butter, Nana is the best grandmother. Look, they are looking at this clock. Why? Because they're trying to rush before their mother gets home. Oh, she's home. Oh no. This illustrator does a really good job on showing how messy peanut butter can be. Look, it's all on their refrigerator, on the chair, on their clothes. My goodness. And look at the mom. She has her hand on her head. What do you think she's feeling? Oh no, look at this mess. Maybe that's what she's saying in her head. What do you think this cat is about to do? Oh, get into mischief, I bet. And this little one, she's like, here you go, Mama, try it. We made it with Nana. And what is this illustrator doing in this picture? It looks like this cloud or this little, almost like it's an aroma, triggers a memory in Mama. Whenever Nana was teaching her how to make peanut butter. She smells it. Brings back memories. Give me a kiss, give me a hug. Peanut butter, fudge. Aww. You can see all the love in this picture. The end. This is the back of the book. So now that the book is finished, why do you think the book is called Peanut Butter Fudge? Also, if you stay with your grandparents, what kind of things do you like to do? Do you guys have any special games you play or things that you cook together? Special recipes maybe? All right, let me know. Thanks for listening. Bye.